Hey, good day everyone. So our topic for today, this is a continuation of the chapter 2, the first topic which is variable, and now we have the second topic is about language of set. So by the way, what is set? So set is a group of objects, no? So we need to understand what is the language of sets. So these are the notation and then the terminologies that we are going to use for sets. So we have here the first one, we have the symbol for element. So X is an element of S. So yan yung pagbasa, no? And then we have an example here. S is equals to 2, 4, 6. And then 2 is an element of S. So pwede rin natin sabihin na 4 is an element of S or 6 is an element of S. So another symbol here, we have here the not element. So as you can see, yung parang E, lagyan ng line, and then ang meaning niyan is not. So 3 is not an element of S. So pwede rin sabihin natin 5 is not an element of S. Okay. So we have now the definition of axiom of extension. A set is completely determined by its element are not the order in which they might be listed or fact that some elements might be listed more than once. So let's try to see an example kasi mas doon natin naiintindihan ang ibig sabihin ito. For example, if we have here, ang set of element natin is 2, 4, 6, and then sometimes sinulat siya as 6, 4, 2, 2, 6, 4, or 2, 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, or pwede rin sabihin yan na 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, and so on and so forth. So, the same lang yan sila ng value, which is 2, 4, and then 6. Okay. But take note with this remark. 2, 4, 6 is not the same with 2, and then meron siyang another element of 2, then 4. So, ito siya ang naka-differ sa kanya. So, magkaiba ang ibig sabihin yan. Whereas here, 2, 4, 6 is not an element, not equal. Okay, not equals to, yan, a bracket with a bracket and 2, 4, 6. Or another one here. So, this is not equal. Kung mayroon tayo dito, for example, na 2, 4, and then we have here 6. So, they are not equal. Okay, so next is we have here the symbol of the set of number. So, the symbol of set of number is yung real numbers is we have here where R. Symbol is R, and then the integers is Z, and then the rational number is Q. So positive numbers, so pag mayroon kayo makitang plus dyan sa taas nila, those are positive. Whereas the negative numbers, so these are the negative numbers, are this one here, negative, yan, may mga negative sa taas nila. Or it can be non-negative numbers, so sometimes sa other book, ganyan yung pagkasulat ng mga symbols. So next here, we have the set builder notation. So as you can see, naka-color coding siya, no? So ang ibig sabihin ng bracket na yan, okay, yung blue na bracket na yan, or ang pagbasa dito, is the set of all element. And then yung green na yan, we have here element of X in X. And then itong naka-horizontal line here, ang pagbasa niyan, which satisfy or such that. And then we have the property P. So that is how we are going to read, or how it is being read, the given set builder notation. example, denote the following set of real on the real number line. So for number 1, if we are going to draw this one here, so we draw a line. We have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5. And then we have here -1, -2. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung number daw natin is between -2 and 5. So, strictly speaking, this one is an open interval. Why? Kasi it is lesser than and -2 is lesser than x lesser than 5. So, it is an open integral. So, this picture shows the numbers between -2 and -2 and 5. So how about here sa number 2? So if you are going to look at the figure above, x is an element of z. Z is the integer. So such that -2 is lesser than x lesser than 5. So what are those integers between -2 and 5? So the integers are -1, 0, 2, 3, and then 4. So those are the integers between -2 and 5. So how about the positive integer for number 3? So positive integers, those are only 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So the set here, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 1, 2, 3, 4? Kasi ang hinihingi lang niya is only the positive. What if the question here, what are the negative integers? So between -2 lesser than x lesser than 5. So what are the negative integers? So we have here only the -1. So hindi siya kasama yung -2 ha, kasi sabi niya lesser. Kung mayroong equal sign dyan, so pwede siyang isama. The final answer here is -1. We have another symbol here. Notation of A. Okay, this one here. It is read as A belongs to B. A is contained in B. A is a subset of B. So meaning, X is an element of A, then X is an element of B. Another symbol is this one here. So yung line na cross siya sa symbol. So this is read as A does not belong to B. Then the meaning here is there exists an element, X is an element of B, such that X is an element of A. Meaning there exists, no? May nag-exist. Okay. Then another one here, A strictly belong to B. So we have here, so the symbol here, there exists an element of X, element B, such that X is not an element of B. So we have now the Cartesian product. So in the Cartesian product, we have here the ordered pair. So take note with that one. The Cartesian product is an ordered pair. So A, B is equals to CD if and only if A, okay, yan A equals sila kay C, and then B is also equal to D. Yan. So that is the Cartesian product. We have now the Cartesian product A and B. So AB or A cross B. Then A cross B is equals to the set of AB such that A is an element of the big letter A, meaning the big letter A here is the set. and then B is an element of B, so it is a set of order pair. Okay, so we have an example here for Cartesian product. So we let A equals to 1, 2, 3, and then let B equals to U, the set of U and B. So we need to find the Cartesian product of A cross B. Remember, in the Cartesian product, yung answer natin is an order pair. So, ito siya, itong A natin, set A, cross to set B. So, you will have here 1U, and then that is an order pair, no? 1U and then 1B. So, you will have 1B. So, next is 2. Yung 2 naman. So, 2U and then 2B. So, next here is we have here 3U and then we have 3B. Okay, for B cross A. So, B cross A, pabaliktad. So, U 1 and then U2, U3, then V1, V2, V3. So next is we have B cross B. So B cross B meaning meron kang the same B, no? B, U, B. So we have cross U cross to, B cross to another B. So you will have here U, U. Then we have U, V. And then we have VU. And then we have VU. Okay? So if we are going to determine how many elements are in A, you just count, no? I-count mo lang ilang element yan. So consider yung order pair is a 1 element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6. So here in B cross A, so we have also 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 din yan, no? And then we have B cross B. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. So that's all for today. So thank you for listening. So I hope you understand the lesson. So if you have any question, you are free to chat me. So again, see you next time.